Welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to Niagara Falls for some hiking, and it's gonna be fun. We stayed at the Sheraton Falls View Hotel, which is 4-star and has amazing reviews on TripAdvisor. The hotel is located on Falls Avenue in Clifton Hill. We stayed on the 19th floor overlooking the beautiful falls. You can enter the hotel from Falls Avenue. There is temporary parking available right at the entrance. Overnight parking is $35 for off-site parking, $55 for valet parking, and $75 on the deck parking. The ambiance inside is very modern and has plenty of seating area. There is a Starbucks and Freshie on the main floor. You must wear a mask at all times when you are in and around the common areas. The room was spacious and clean. Our room had a king bed and sofas. The bathroom had a jacuzzi in addition to the standing shower. You can open the balcony door but cannot step outside. You get an amazing view of the American and Horseshoe Falls along with the river. You also have a clear view of the Rainbow Bridge crossing. $35 parking gets tricky. You have to drive further up and enter the Falls View and Casino parking. Follow the sign and you can park anywhere you like. We have a long walk ahead of us. Our first stop is Hershey's Chocolate World for a nice cold drink. Our goal is to walk to Niagara Glen along the Niagara Parkway and start our hike. The walk is about 7 kilometers and boy, we did not plan this right. And you'll find out later why. There are beautiful, colorful homes along the way. Most of them are available for rent. We put some of these names and contact details in the description. Feel free to check them out.
Alright guys, we first thought we could drive there, but then we decided to walk.
Yep.
And we now regret it because it's quite a bit of a walk.
Walking.
We've been walking for the last, what?
45 minutes?
45 minutes now, and we still have another half an hour walk. So anyways, that's all we have to do
And
today.
that's just to get to
yeah.
hiking town.
change of plan. We're gonna take the Whirlpool Trail and go down because it's too far and we're too lazy. So let's do this.
It's a quick trail, like from there, it's really quick, right?
Yeah,
You've been before.
watch your
Listen
step.
to that.
Ah, it's so steep. It is crazy. Watch your step.
Oh,
Just watch your step. Guys, coming down the stairs was super easy, but I feel like going back up, we're gonna struggle. No, we're not climbing no tree. So let's go through here. Alright guys, we've been walking for the last 10 minutes since we came down, and we can already see and
Water.
hear the water. So this is the Whirlpool Trail, right?
Yeah.
Wow, this is so cool.
Coming out of our hike and seeing the water is absolutely breathtaking.
So we're supposed to go to Niagara Glen and go down
It's
the gorge from there, but we stopped halfway and we just did the Whirlpool Trail. Tomorrow morning we're gonna do the other one. Things didn't go as planned, but what's life if everything goes according to plan, right? This was amazing, relaxing, and I think we're done for the day. We're gonna go home and relax.
We have a
Or-
long way to walk back though.
Yeah, at least another hour,
No more than that.
more than that, and we'll be back at this tomorrow.
Yep.
Part 2 coming up soon. Please make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.